Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This episode we will see common failure and problems with Bosch angle grinders series GWS. Here I have GWS 19125 CIE, GWS 125 CIE, and this is GWS 125 CIE. This is with electronic power to the revolutions. I don't know what to call it. This is another one, GWS 125 CIE. All these came to me broken, but I managed to fix one or another. So now the most common problem is here, the cable. It breaks loose. When it breaks loose, you don't have contact. This you have first to see. The simple is very simple. You have to use digital multimeter and put it here on, I don't know what was the word, but you have this, and then you try it. It's simple as that. One here and one here. Hear it? And another one. Here you go. See it? Simple as that. One is one of the problems. The other problem, which common has failure, stator. You can see here is burn. It's going to burn because it's not clean. Every time you use one of these, you need to have a compressor and blow air from these holes, because the dust from the iron you cut goes here and warms the stator and the collector of the stator and of the rotor. Sorry. Now we are going to open this to see inside. Where is? You use a Torx 20. This is a Torx 20. You can see. Now, this angle grinder is with worn stator and rotor, so we can I can show you what is going about. You have first step, this bolt, then the brushes, this slides back, this opens like this, and this like this. Then use a little screwdriver, put this spring back like so, and then use pliers, and you can release the brushes. Here you go. One of the main reasons these angle grinders fails is these brushes. You can see it's already worn. When the cable is right out here, you have no contact and the angle grinder will not run. So we move on. Let's undo the other brush. I'm sorry for my English, it's not very good, but I'm going to train more. Here you are. This is good brush. It has a little life in her, but it's okay. Then you go from the up and unscrew these 4 screws. And then you take out the rotor. Oh, just a little more. Here you are. And then you can see it has plenty of life in the collector, but if you see this, do you see it? I don't know. Just a second. This is a worn rotor. Do you see it? Here. It goes already gone. All this and this is because the anger grinder was never cleaned properly with a compressed air. Other problem, you can see here. You can see, or you can't see, I don't know. It's the stator is already looking like this. It has burns. All this is a very idiotic reliable angle grinder, but all you can do is human error. All this is human error. If you maintain it clean, it will last forever. Only these angle grinders only need brushes, nothing else. They are super reliable. Super reliable. And this is other part of this. This is the electronic I don't know, starter, or I don't know what to call it. I'm not familiar in the moment. I can't remember what was the word. These are 2 clips. You can unclip it and pull it back. And the other is the switch, the main switch, which goes like this. You can remove it like this. Here is one of this, and this is the other. And simply as that, you can pull it out. And it's ready. Oh, it's already broken. But no worries, it's very simple underneath. You need to just push it back and it's ready to work. Super simple machine and very reliable. And now the electronic part. It's already gone. The switch is already gone. And this is the part you can see. This is the electronic switch. You can change this with let's see, this, no problem at all. And your angle grinder is going to have various revolutions. It's super simple. And this is cost about 30 euro. It's very cheap. So the most expensive part is this. In our country is about 50 to 60 euro for the models 17 and 19. And this, the starter, is about, I don't know, about 30 euro. And for the price of this for a price of around, let's say at 80 euro, you have brand new angle grinder. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, please write it down. I will try to answer it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.